What is artificial intelligence, or AI, and why does everyone talk about it these days? In this video, we'll explore the basics of AI, its history, its applications, and its controversies. But first, let's define what we mean by AI. AI refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to perform tasks that normally require human cognition, such as learning, reasoning, problem-solving, speech recognition, natural language understanding, and decision-making. AI can be divided into different types, such as machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, computer vision, robotics, and expert systems. Each type has different algorithms, architectures, and data sets that enable it to perform specific tasks. AI is not new, though. Its origins can be traced back to the 1950s, when pioneers like Alan Turing, John McCarthy, Marvin Minsky, and Claude Shannon laid the foundations for computer science, cognitive psychology, and cybernetics. However, progress was slow until the 21st century, when the availability of big data, fast processors, and cloud computing boosted the performance of AI models to unprecedented levels. Today, AI is ubiquitous and transformative, affecting almost every aspect of our lives, from work to leisure, from education to health, from security to privacy. AI works by using algorithms that learn from data and feedback to improve their accuracy and efficiency over time. For example, a machine learning algorithm can analyze a dataset of images and identify patterns that correspond to certain objects or features, such as faces, buildings, or colors. The algorithm can then use these patterns to classify new images or detect anomalies in existing ones. The more data the algorithm has access to, the better it can perform. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that uses neural networks, which are complex architectures of interconnected nodes that mimic the neurons in the human brain. Each node receives inputs, processes them by applying weights and functions, and produces an output that becomes the input of the next node. By stacking multiple layers of nodes, deep neural networks can learn to recognize and generalize complex patterns, such as speech, text, or video. AI has many benefits, such as improving efficiency, reducing errors, enhancing creativity, and enabling new discoveries. AI can also tackle some of the biggest challenges facing humanity, such as climate change, poverty, and healthcare.